Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and for this assignment, I created an assistive technology tool for a kindergarten student. However, this can be accessed by all students in the class. The lesson that I used for this assignment is a geometry lesson on shapes. Kindergartners are expected to know circle, rectangle, triangle, square, and their attributes by the end of kindergarten, because once they go to first grade, they are expected to know that knowledge, and then they build on those skills and learn more complex skills regarding shapes. So this lesson is a kindergarten lesson. Students first learn briefly about each shape. They're encouraged to have discussions about each shape during an observation walk, and then they will explicitly learn about each shape during a station teaching structure, where the teachers, since there are multiple teachers in this classroom during the time, each teacher is responsible for explicitly teaching each shape. And then after that, the students will come back together, review what they learned, and then they will all have access to this shapes quiz. So over this course, I learned how to make a customized interactive PowerPoint quiz, and I really love the idea of it. I love that it's interactive. It could be customized and personalized to how you would like it to look, as well as supportive of the students' needs. So I was able to hyperlink um, some of the images so that it takes you to a song, as well as make it interactive so that students can self-monitor as they're taking the quiz. So this acts as a review tool, as well as an assessment tool and self-monitoring. So I created a customized shapes interactive quiz for kindergartners. I specifically considered the student that I wrote about in my assignment, Amy. Amy is a student with a visual impairment. She also has a diagnosis of a developmental delay and has IEP minutes for math, writing, and reading. However, she receives all of her core content minutes in the general education setting. She does also have speech and language deficits, and she receives speech services, and those are pull-out minutes. So I considered all of that when I created this interactive quiz. So this is the interactive quiz. It's the shapes quiz, and then here's this, it will take you to a shape song. But it doesn't advance. I click all around it. It will not advance unless I click this start button. So if I click right here, it's going to take me to the interactive shape song. The students can watch the interactive shape song. And this is an interactive shape song that they can watch prior to taking the quiz. So this will allow students to first review before taking the quiz, so they have it fresh in their mind, and that can eliminate some stress. So as I said before, I click anywhere. It won't let me advance unless I click the start button, so they can watch the shape song. And then this is the first question. So there's an audio feature. So if the student clicks on the square, it's going to say, so then they can click on try again, it'll take them back. So they can click on the audio tab again. And so if they click on the triangle, it'll say, so then they'll click on keep going, and as you can see, you can't click anywhere else. You have to click on the hyperlink. So This is the next question. So if they click on the triangle, that is incorrect. Try again, takes them back. Click on the rectangle, that is correct, and then you can click on the audio. So they can click on keep going. And this is the next question. And here's a visual for students to look at. Yes, thumbs up to go with yes, no, thumbs down. That is correct, keep going. And then in kindergarten, it's important that they know the appropriate vocabulary for math. So vertices and sides are the vocabulary words that they need to know. So they can see a picture here, yes. So the point of this quiz is not to trick the students. It's really for a way to quickly assess. So a teacher could be sitting near the student taking notes, but also could act as a personal assessment for them. So low pressure. So if they click on that, that's incorrect, try again. That's incorrect, try again. That's incorrect, try again. That is correct, keep going. And then they'll start to hopefully understand this is thumbs up, that's correct. And they'll know that they get to advance the next question. So that's incorrect, that's incorrect, that's incorrect. Oops. Oops. There we go. And that is correct. Okay. Keep going. And so then this is the end. And they can click on the shape song as an interactive continuous review because it is important that they still are reviewing shapes even if they finish the quiz because this is a concept that will build on throughout their years in elementary school and beyond. So here's the next shape song. Okay, so I love that I could personalize this interactive PowerPoint how I wanted it to look for the specific students. I did not use a pre-designed template. I made the template all by myself. This is all customized to how I wanted it to look. So I wanted to make it short, but also cover every shape that they learned in the lesson. And remember, this is just one lesson. So this is an overview of all of the shapes, kind of like a quick check. But I really enjoy using PowerPoint to make interactive quizzes, and I will continue to do so. So this was a great technique that I learned in this course, and I definitely will use it in my practice. Thanks for watching.